Northern Virginia head-on collision. Lawyer head-on collisions are some of the most dangerous types of traffic accidents, often leading to catastrophic injuries or fatalities. The direct impact at high speeds makes these crashes particularly severe. For victims, the aftermath can bring extensive physical injuries, emotional trauma, and significant financial burdens. Understanding the legal aspects of these accidents is essential for securing fair compensation and moving forward with recovery. Legal rights and responsibilities in head-on collision cases in Virginia. Individuals injured in accidents have specific legal rights and responsibilities under the law. One of the key legal principles is the duty of care, which requires all drivers to act reasonably to prevent harm to others on the road. If someone breaches this duty, for example, by driving recklessly or under the influence, they may be held liable for the damages caused. However, Virginia follows a strict legal rule called contributory negligence. Under this doctrine, if a victim is found even 1% at fault for the accident, they may be completely barred from receiving compensation. This means that insurance companies and defense lawyers will often scrutinize the victim's actions to try to assign partial blame. Because of this, it's crucial to work with an experienced attorney who understands how to establish fault accurately and navigate Virginia's challenging legal landscape. Victims also need to be aware of the statute of limitations. In Virginia, personal injury claims must typically be filed within 2 years from the date of the accident. Missing this deadline could mean losing the right to seek compensation. Why working with a lawyer is crucial. Hiring a lawyer after a head-on collision can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. An attorney will assess the specifics of the accident, gather evidence, and identify liable parties. This process includes collecting police reports, witness statements, and medical records to build a strong case. Negotiating with insurance companies is another critical role a law firm plays. Insurance adjusters aim to minimize payouts, but an attorney can handle these negotiations to ensure you receive fair compensation. If a settlement cannot be reached, the attorney can take the case to court to advocate for your rights. Common causes and injuries in head-on collisions. Head-on collisions typically occur when a driver crosses into oncoming traffic. Some of the most common causes include distracted driving. Activities like texting, adjusting the radio, or eating can cause a driver to drift into the wrong lane. Impaired driving. Alcohol and drug use impair a driver's judgment and reaction time, increasing the risk of crossing into opposing traffic. Fatigue. Drowsy driving can cause a driver to lose control and veer into oncoming lanes. Improper passing. Misjudging the distance or speed of oncoming traffic while overtaking another vehicle can result in catastrophic collisions. Navigational errors. Entering a one-way street or driving the wrong way can lead to head-on crashes. These accidents often result in severe injuries, including traumatic brain injuries, TBIs, concussions, and other brain injuries can cause long-term cognitive and physical impairments. Spinal cord injuries. Damage to the spinal cord can lead to partial or complete paralysis, requiring extensive medical treatment and rehabilitation. Broken bones. Fractures commonly occur in arms, legs, ribs, and facial bones, sometimes requiring surgery. Internal organ damage. Blunt force trauma from a head-on collision can cause internal bleeding and damage to vital organs. Recovering compensation for these injuries can be a complex process. It's essential to have an attorney by your side to navigate the legal system and advocate for your rights. How to prove fault in a head-on collision case. Determining fault is a key part of any head-on collision case. In Virginia, police reports, witness statements, and physical evidence play a significant role in establishing liability. Accident reconstruction professionals may also be brought in to analyze skid marks, vehicle damage, and road conditions to determine how the accident occurred. Other important factors in proving fault include traffic violations and onboard vehicle data. For example, if the at-fault driver was speeding, ran a red light, or crossed the center line, these violations will strengthen your case. Because Virginia's contributory negligence rule can bar compensation even if the victim is slightly at fault, it's critical to work with a skilled lawyer to ensure that fault is accurately assigned and that your case is well supported. Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, is dedicated to helping head-on collision victims gather the necessary evidence and navigate the legal challenges unique to Virginia's laws. If you or a loved one has been involved in a head-on collision, you don't have to go through this challenging time alone. At Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, we are here to help you every step of the way. Our attorneys understand the devastating impact these accidents can have on your life, and we are committed to securing the compensation you deserve. Contact Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, today at 571-532-9070 to discuss your case. Our office is conveniently located at 8280 Willow Oaks Corporate Drive, Fairfax, Virginia, 22031, United States. Let us help you navigate this difficult journey and focus on your recovery while we handle the legal complexities.